This is a video for those of you who have money in a defined contribution pension plan, which means you will have a personal pension of some type where there is a pot of money which needs to be grown to produce an eventual payout. This video does not apply if you have a final salary, defined benefit pension. You'll be looking to make the value of your plan as big as you can, because the bigger the pot, the more money you will have available to you in your retirement years. There are only two ways the pot will get bigger: by adding more contributions into it, and by the amount the plan grows due to the investment returns. Wherever your pension is invested, the funds you use will determine the growth you get. The better the fund or investment performance, the bigger your future value. Growth matters because over time, higher returns benefit from the compounding effect. In this example, both people have started from the same position. One gets a higher annual percentage return each year, and this adds up to an extra £88,000 by the time they get to the age 65. In any particular year, the mix of funds or investments you use will generate a return. The costs are then taken off, and this produces the net return. The net return year after year compounds to produce the eventual return, which will be the amount you get to use in your later years. The higher you can make this return, the more you will receive, and the higher return each year compounds, so it has a disproportionate effect. So the trick is to put all your pension money into the highest growth investment, right? Wrong. Nobody knows what's going to produce the highest return in the future. Plus, the potentially higher growth investments are normally more risky, and they could go seriously wrong and fall in value. You can play it safe and use low risk or no risk investments so the pot value doesn't fall, but then you will probably get very low growth. Your task is to find a way to optimize the growth on your pension fund, because better growth directly translates into improving your future retirement income. It's always worth looking at ways to improve your investment position within a pension fund to try and improve future returns, provided it's done in a risk-appropriate fashion. Some people seem to think of their pension as something they shouldn't really bother with. What will be, and they don't view it as an investment pot. It is an investment which will directly affect future amounts for that person's retirement. How do you go about trying to ensure you optimize your future returns? Seek out a suitable investment strategy for your attitude to investment risk and circumstances. Be conscious of costs, don't overpay, review regularly, and when appropriate, make changes to the investment mix. Use the best pension advisors to help you. Often, it really does pay in an exceptional way to work on your pension fund, investing to strive for the very best returns for your circumstances, wherever you are today, however much you have in your pensions. We have the expertise to help you in your quest.